with Jim Bird from Safe Harbor Financial and Justin Struble, a financial strategist with Safe Harbor as well. Good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning, Joe.
All right, we're talking about a lot of different topics with you guys throughout the course here on Studio 10. This morning, we're talking about life insurance. Jim, what are the benefits of using life insurance?
Well, let me preface that by saying this, Joe, that, Americans are living longer, and health care costs are rising every day. And so we have found vehicles that people can solve some of these problems, some of their long-term care needs, into a life insurance problem by just utilizing some of the money that they may have sitting somewhere in a savings account or CD account without having to pay a monthly premium.
Right. So where does life insurance fit in then, Justin?
Well, there's some products out there that will give you, basically, if you put a lump sum in a single premium life, you can get a magnitude of that amount in long-term care protection.
Okay.
And you also, if you never need the long-term care, you've got the death benefit, and it's completely liquid.
Okay, I think a lot of people would probably need some more description of this because they're not experts like you guys are in the field, but of course they can come talk to you about that. But we want to talk some more. What is out there that will help these people supplement their retirement? Well,
a single premium life, as he's mentioning, is a great vehicle because it has a very attractive growth rate, tax deferred, but it also gives them life insurance, which is about double what they put in there, but it has long-term care benefit also included in it, and that's a big issue now. And if they don't need the money, they've got some good growth, and they could use that for retirement or whatever they want to do with it. Take the money, the principal's guaranteed, take out anytime they want it, Joe. That's a new feature. That's a different wrinkle in life insurance.
And you talked about a different wrinkle in life insurance. There are some folks out there who don't have life insurance yet. Do you have any tips on when would be a good time to start looking into purchasing some life insurance, or how to go about that?
Well, the younger the better, cheaper it is. Now, this product is streamlined underwriting. It's done with just a phone call. But if you buy a life insurance as per se, you could have to take a physical and all that with it, depending on age. Somebody young as you, Joe, probably wouldn't have to take a physical, but somebody my age would, have to go through the mill. But
you look like you're in all right shape.
No, yeah, but it's my age. So. But streamline underwriting, you need to look at that. You need to look at, can you qualify for it? And there's a way to try to do that without having to make a commitment. So that's what we ask our clients to do.
Yeah, and you can help your clients through that process as well, so they can come and ask any questions with the folks from Safe Harbor Financial. And speaking of asking questions, we're going to continue to do so in a future segment. We want to talk next time, Jim, about the myths about annuities. Talk to us a little bit about that.
Well, there's a lot of myths out there about annuities, a lot of misinformation that people get on the internet, Joe, and we've got to discern the truth for these people and put it down and show them how they really work. Some of the hybrid annuities can be great vehicles used right in the right circumstance, but there's just people who think all annuities are bad, they've been taught it's bad, and we're gonna break that down and explain how they work.
Perfect. That sounds great. And if you've missed any of our segments with Safe Harbor Financial, we've done quite a few now. They are all online at the Studio 10 tab on fox10tv.com, so you can go back and take a look and help yourself with your financial planning. Guys, good to see you again.
Thank you, Joe.
Thank you so much for coming in.